Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So before we will start, two important things. The first one, internet connection. Make sure that you've got one, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, so you can avoid some charges. And the second thing is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you do not have one, then you can add it or create it after entering the Play Store, or you can simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it on your own. So now we can start. Let's enter the Play Store. And now let's tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. So here we have to tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, in my case I've got 25 of apps and games which I can update. Of course, if you want, you can update all of those apps which are on the list. Simply mark them. So I will choose maybe Google Chrome, maybe Maps and Messages. So just mark the options and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. So now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn off the Play Store and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.